This year's show is much bigger than last year. We've had a lot of international representation with a lot of innovative companies that have come to the show, showcasing their groundbreaking technology, just really moving the industry forward.
So if you're looking at a combined show between helicopters and drones, this used to be a helicopter-dominated technology and services. Now, if you look at it, there's a lot of innovation and a lot of change, particularly in the drone market.
So in my SACS experience, DroneX today really positive. As you can see from the booth with our partners and our Valaris partner network, a lot of interest, a lot of old familiar faces, really good panel discussion, full house.
So our Hayward & Green's experience here at HeliTech has been really successful so far. It's been fantastic to see some existing suppliers and customers, get them on the aircraft, get them inside, meet them and possibly come back next year.
It's great. It's our second time that we're here. We've been here last year and we decided to come back. Well organized, great show, great people here. We love it.
We're really happy to be here. We haven't been at DroneX in a while, so we're based out of Austin, Texas and Johannesburg, South Africa, so it's great to be in London right now.
We've been doing the HeliTech show for many years. We've come from Las Vegas, we've met existing customers and new potential customers. The return on investment has been fantastic and we look forward to more shows with HeliTech.
Denmark showcasing a drone that can stay in the air for 3.5 hours, which is the longest flight time for its class in the world.
We've come here specifically from Australia to attend this show to show how the benefits of simulation in the aviation industry.
We specialise in trials and evaluation in the drone world, and today's been fantastic to meet so many partners and so many like-minded people.
We are really excited with BetelX because that event is well organised. The people are coming and asking the good questions.
Finally, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone, from the speakers to the partners to the exhibitors and sponsors, and most importantly the visitors, because we really together are moving this industry forward.